Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best lunchboxes that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for something budget-friendly or a premium option, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Ranked at number 5 is the Lavo Insulated Lunchbox, which is our budget pick at just $5.09. If you're looking for a simple, lightweight lunch bag that gets the job done without breaking the bank, this one might be for you. It boasts a large capacity measuring 10.63 inches long, 9.06 inches wide, and 3.54 inches high, making it ideal for carrying your lunchbox, fruits, snacks, and drinks all in one place. The exterior is made from durable polyester fabric, while the interior features insulated aluminum foil to keep your meals fresh and warm or cool for hours. The thickened handles and removable clasp add convenience, allowing you to carry it by hand or attach it to a backpack or briefcase. However, this lunch bag is fairly basic in terms of design and features. While it includes a side pocket for drinks and a front pocket for small items, it doesn't offer advanced insulation or leak-proof capabilities like some of the higher-end models on this list. It's best suited for occasional use, such as picnics or light commutes, rather than for heavy-duty daily use. Overall, the Lavo lunchbox is a solid option for those on a tight budget, but keep in mind its limited durability and simpler build quality. Coming in at number 4 is the Hotor Insulated Lunchbox, priced at $9.98. This is a fantastic upgrade from the Lavo model, especially if you're looking for better insulation and a more versatile design. The Hotor lunch bag features a 3-layer insulation system, including an outer layer of 600D Oxford cloth, a middle layer of insulated pearl cotton, and an inner PEVA lining that's food-safe and leak-proof. It keeps your meals cool for up to 7 hours or warm for up to 6 hours, making it perfect for long workdays or travels. The design is both functional and stylish, offering a spacious main compartment for food containers and snacks, plus multiple pockets for organized storage. There's a front zippered pocket for napkins and keys, mesh side pockets for water bottles, and an inner mesh pocket for cutlery or ice packs. The adjustable padded shoulder strap and sturdy top handle make it easy to carry around, whether you're commuting or heading out for a picnic. However, while the Hotor lunchbox offers great value at its price point, it's not as durable as some of the premium models on this list. If you need something lightweight and practical, with decent thermal performance, this is an excellent choice. At number 3, we have the Packet Freezable Classic Lunchbox, priced at $24.99. This lunchbox stands out thanks to its innovative eco-freeze technology, which integrates freezable gel directly into the walls of the bag. Simply collapse the lunchbox flat and place it in the freezer overnight, and by morning, the walls will be frozen solid, ready to keep your food chilled for hours. This eliminates the need for separate ice packs and ensures your meals stay fresh and cool, making it ideal for packing fruits, vegetables, and other perishables. It's designed for convenience, with a large zip opening for easy packing, a buckle handle for attaching to backpacks or messenger bags, and side and front pockets for extra storage. The exterior is made from non-toxic poly canvas, which is BPA, PVC, and lead-free, while the interior is water-resistant and easy to clean. However, the Packet lunchbox is exclusively designed for cooling and doesn't offer insulation for keeping food warm. It's also slightly less durable compared to some of the glass lunchboxes on this list. If you're someone who prioritizes fresh and chilled lunches, especially for specific dietary needs, this lunchbox is a great pick. Coming in at number 2 is the Crest glass meal prep containers, priced at $29.99. This set of 10 airtight glass containers is a game changer for meal prepping and food storage. Made from high-quality borosilicate glass, these containers are oven-safe up to 700 degrees Fahrenheit and compatible with microwaves, freezers, and dishwashers. The lids feature snap-lock closures with silicone seals, ensuring that your food stays fresh and leak-proof. If you're tired of spills ruining your lunch, this set has you covered. The stackable design is perfect for saving space in your kitchen or refrigerator, while the lead-free materials ensure safety and eco-friendliness. Each container holds 34 fluid ounces, making them ideal for storing vegetables, fruits, and meats. However, the lids require hand washing due to the potential for silicone deformation under high dishwasher temperatures. This set is heavier and less portable compared to traditional lunch bags, but it's perfect for those who prefer durable, reusable glass containers for meal prepping. If you're looking for a premium lunch storage solution that balances functionality and style, the Crest containers are an excellent choice. Finally, at number 1, we have the Psycho glass meal prep containers, priced at $39.99. This set of 10 glass containers takes the meal prep game to a whole new level. Each container features 2 compartments, allowing you to portion your meals perfectly and keep different foods separated. Made from premium borosilicate glass, these containers are stronger and more durable than standard glass options. They're also oven, microwave, freezer, and dishwasher safe, offering ultimate versatility for storing and reheating your meals. The smart locking lids feature silicone seals for airtight and leak-proof performance, making them ideal for carrying sauces, soups, or other liquids without worry. The stackable design helps you organize your refrigerator and kitchen efficiently, while the sleek gray lids add a touch of sophistication. At 30 ounces per container, the capacity is perfect for portion control, leftovers, or packed lunches for work or travel. While these containers are heavier and pricier than other options on this list, their durability and advanced features make them well worth the investment. If you're serious about meal prep and want the best of the best, the Psycho glass meal prep containers are the ultimate choice. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.